The hidden secrets of the Ford 427 engine family. As the 1950s unfolded, it quickly became apparent that longer, lower, and wider was the prevailing design methodology in the automotive world. Cars were becoming heavier, and the demand for larger, more powerful engines surged as manufacturers sought to keep up with the era's horsepower race. Ford, recognizing the limitations of its original overhead valve V8 engines, introduced the FE Series V8 engine in 1958. This engine family would go on to become a cornerstone of Ford's lineup, powering cars, trucks, and even performance vehicles for over a decade. The FE Series, an acronym for Ford SOHC, featured displacements ranging from 332 to 428 cubic inches and power outputs spanning from 220 to 425 horsepower. It became a staple in Ford, Mercury, and Edsel vehicles, as well as in light-duty trucks like the F-Series pickups. During its time, the FE Series competed directly with Chevrolet's big block engines and Chrysler's RB Series V8s, standing out for its versatility and engineering innovations. While Chevrolet's 409 and Chrysler's 413 engines were formidable rivals, the FE often matched or exceeded their performance in racing and street applications, earning respect in both arenas. While the medium heavy-duty truck applications utilized a variant called the FT, the FE engine left an indelible mark on the history of American automobiles. Let's delve into the history and evolution of this iconic engine series, exploring its variants and the vehicles it powers. The beginnings, from Y-block to FE. Ford's journey to the FE Series began with its original overhead valve V8 engine, introduced in 1954 and commonly known as the Y-block.
Same is true with our new Y-block V8 engine. Most V8 blocks end about right here. But again, by good designing, we have a structural Y-shaped deep block that really provides rigidity.
The Y-block featured a deep-skirted block design and had displacements ranging from 239 to 312 cubic inches. While innovative for its time, the Y-block struggled with limitations such as poor porting design and mechanical valve lifters. By the late 1950s, it was clear that the Y-block was becoming outdated. The FE Series addressed these shortcomings with several improvements. It retained the deep-skirted block design, but introduced hydraulic valve lifters, which reduced maintenance requirements. The cylinder heads were redesigned for better airflow, and the bore spacing was increased from 4.38 inches to 4.63 inches, making the FE neither a small block nor a large block, but a medium block. This new design provided the foundation for the FE's adaptability and longevity. Early years and displacement variants, 332 cubic inches, 1958 to 1959. The FE Series debuted with the 332 cubic inch V8 in 1958. This engine featured a 4.00-inch bore and a 3.30-inch stroke, offering power outputs of 240 horsepower with a 2-barrel carburetor and 265 horsepower with a 4-barrel carburetor. Initially marketed as the Interceptor Vive 8, the 332 found its place in Ford's full-sized cars and even made a one-year appearance in the 1959 Edsel. However, the 332 was relatively short-lived, as Ford's focus quickly shifted to larger and more powerful displacements. 352 cubic inches, 1958 to 1967. Alongside the 332, Ford introduced the 352 cubic inch V8, which became a workhorse for the brand. With a 4.00-inch bore and a 3.50-inch stroke, the 352 offered a range of power outputs over its production run. Early versions delivered 220 to 300 horsepower, while a high-performance 360 horsepower version debuted in 1960. This special variant featured an aluminum intake manifold, cast iron headers, and a 10.6-to-1 compression ratio, making it Ford's first true high-performance engine. The 352 powered a variety of vehicles, including full-sized Fords, Thunderbirds, and even Mercury models. By the mid-1960s, it transitioned into Ford's light-duty trucks, where it continued to perform reliably until it was phased out in 1967. Performance and innovation. The 390 and beyond 390 cubic inches, 1961 to 1971. Introduced in 1961, the 390 cubic inch engine was a major innovation for Ford. Providing improved performance and efficiency, 390 cubic inch V8 quickly became one of the most popular FE engines. With a 4.05-inch bore and a 3.78-inch stroke, it offered a balance of power and versatility. The standard 4-barrel version produced 300 horsepower, while a police interceptor variant delivered 330 horsepower. A high-performance version with 3 2-barrel carburetors pushed the output to 401 horsepower, making it a formidable choice for muscle cars and high-performance sedans. The 390 powered a wide range of vehicles, from full-sized Fords and Mercurys to the Thunderbird, Mustang, and Cougar. It was also a staple in Ford's F-Series pickups, starting in 1967, where its durability and torque made it ideal for light-duty truck applications. 406 and 427 cubic inches. Building on the success of the 390, Ford introduced the 406 in 1962. This engine featured a 4.13-inch bore and produced up to 405 horsepower with 3 2-barrel carburetors. However, it was quickly overshadowed by the 427 cubic inch variant, which debuted in 1963. The 427, with its 4.23-inch bore and high-strength block design, became a legend in motorsports. It powered Ford's GT40 to victory at Le Mans and became a favorite in drag racing and stock car racing. 428 cubic inches, 1966 to 1971. The 428 cubic inch engine introduced in 1966 became the largest FE variant. Initially designed for full-sized cars and luxury sedans, it quickly found favor among performance enthusiasts. With high-performance configurations, such as the Cobra Jet and Super Cobra Jet, it became a staple in muscle cars like the Mustang and Cougar. Producing up to 425 horsepower, the 428 cemented the FE's reputation as a powerhouse in Ford's lineup. Drag racing legacy. The FE engines were pivotal in the world of drag racing, particularly during the 1960s and early 1970s. The 427 and 428 variants were highly sought after by racers for their high output and reliability under extreme conditions. Drivers such as Gas Rhonda and Dino Don Nicholson piloted FE-powered vehicles to numerous victories, making these engines legends in the sport. The 427 SOHC, a specialized variant often called the Cammer, became a drag racing icon. Designed to compete with Chrysler's Hemi engines, the 427 SOHC produced over 600 horsepower in its factory configuration and was known for its innovative overhead camshaft design. Although banned from NASCAR, it dominated the drag strips and cemented the FE's reputation for high performance. Truck applications. The Workhorse. The FE series was not just about performance. It was also a reliable workhorse in Ford's truck lineup. The 360 and 390 cubic inch variants were staples in F-Series pickups from the late 1960s to the mid-1970s. These engines provided the torque and durability needed for towing and heavy-duty use, making them a favorite among truck owners. In medium heavy-duty applications, the FE was branded as the FT, Ford Truck Series. While the FT shared many design elements with the FE, it featured reinforced components for greater durability. The FT engines powered a variety of vehicles, from delivery trucks to school buses, further cementing the FE's reputation for versatility. Legacy of the FE series. By the early 1970s, the FE series began to be phased out in favor of newer engine designs like the 335 and 385 series. However, the FE's impact on automotive history remains significant. It played a pivotal role in the muscle car era, powered countless workhorses in Ford's truck lineup, and left an indelible mark in motorsports. Today, the FE series is celebrated by enthusiasts and collectors for its robust design and historical significance. Whether it's a meticulously restored 390-powered Mustang or a vintage F-Series pickup still going strong, the FE continues to embody the spirit of innovation and performance that defined Ford during its heyday. In the ever-evolving world of automotive engineering, the Ford FE Series V8 stands as a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of mid-20th century design, securing its place as a true icon in the annals of automotive history. 98% of our viewers are not subscribed to the channel. We really appreciate your support and kindness. If you would click like and subscribe, that helps us grow in unimaginable ways. Be sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching. Leave a comments below and tell us what cars would like to be featured next.